Okay, real quick and easy video here. In the middle of me working, I don't know if you can see that little bit of my air hose. I just heard a pop and then it started hissing air. So that means that up here where this flexes all the time, that rubber just gets wore out and the air eventually bursts through the seam. So we're gonna fix this air hose today. And the last time I repaired this hose, it doesn't look like I had the proper clamps, so I've just got a what do you call it, a hose clamp on there, cranked down. So we'll get that off of here and we'll show you how to clamp it right proper. Now that we got that electrician's tape off here, we can see what we're working with a little bit better. There's a hose clamp, there's a barbed end that sticks down into the hose to right about here, and that's probably why this is ruptured like that, is because when you flex the hose hard, that barb pushes into the rubber and wears it out. Take the old hose clamp off. I might as well just slice this hose right here behind the bad spot. It's important you shut your air off first. Should have mentioned that. We shouldn't be needing that anymore. Alright, there's your barbed end. It sticks down in the hose. Now I've got these different kind of clamps now that I'm going to try using here. I've seen other people use them, so they should work good. You can grab a set of these off of Amazon for peanuts. They even come with the crimp tool for them. And they are these kind of clamps. You stick those on there, crimp that square part, and it's permanently clamped on there. So we are going to get the size that just fits on there. That size seems to be the key. Well, that's the ticket. Jam that bad boy back down in there. Put your clamp on, don't forget your clamp. Jam your clamp in there. I believe we just take this little crimpy crimp tool. I almost kind of wonder if I should use two, but I'm going to try just one for now, see what happens. Kind of put that right in the middle of the barbed end. Stick our tool in there like so. Hope you guys can see all this. Stick our tool in there. Get it centered. Just squeeze that bad boy down there till we can't squeeze her no more. That looks pretty dang beautiful. Now we just turn the air on and check for leaks. (140 psi), no leaks. It's beautiful. We slide our sleeve back up over this deal. Now this, I should have taken this off and done it, but I'm actually going to notch this out right here to accommodate for that crimp, and that way this will slide up further and prevent that from flexing and breaking there in the future. Alright, we got that all the way up there. I'll just give that a quick wrap of MSHA tape and we'll be good. This stuff, MSHA tape, if you guys have never used this, it's a little more expensive, but it is well worth it. This is some amazing tape. This is primarily used in coal mines and heavy industry, and it is just the toughest, most flexible, waterproof, resilient tape I've ever seen. It's nice and wide, which is handy for things. There we go. Beautiful. Can't even tell that crimp's there. Good as new. Okay, moment of truth. New gun. Oh yeah.